Tired of your cordless drill dying in the middle of a project? We've all been there, fumbling for a spare battery or waiting for it to charge. It's frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you there's a drill that outlasts almost all the competition? Consumer Reports just put a ton of cordless drills to the test, and one model came out on top for battery life. Seriously, this thing just keeps going and going. Whether you're building a deck, hanging shelves. So, which drill is it? Stick around as we reveal the champion of battery life and see if it's the right tool to power up your workshop. You won't want to miss this. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews.